Hello, my name is Anna Forsberg. I have been a transplant nurse for 30 years now, and I'm a clinical professor in transplant nursing at Lund University in Sweden. I am working with patients receiving an organ and their families, helping them to achieve the best quality of life possible. During the transplant journey and follow-up, we tend to forget that we are dealing with people with a transplanted organ and not a transplanted organ in the patient. The way we approach the patients is important. We are there to advise and help them empower their decision-making as organ recipients, because being an organ recipient means a lifelong adaptation to make everyday life work. We are partners in a caring relationship with the aim to support and facilitate. I like to think that technology can be a good thing, helping link patients with each other, with the transplant team, and also provide advice and support that is accessible. Stories can be shared, creating a sense of community. People need a helping hand, a pilot, an everyday coach, and we can digitally be present always, while more seldom in real life. Regardless of where you have been transplanted and where your follow-up is, it shall be easy to access evidence-based information.